Okay friends, now I will share to you how to create a Wikipedia app with Python. I will use in here tkinter and also Wikipedia module. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe in this channel. So we will open the terminal and we will write in here install Wikipedia and then we enter. That's to install the Wikipedia module so that we can use it in our coding. Okay, it has already installed. Now we can close the terminal and we can write in here from tkinter import then start. This means that we will import all that inside of tkinter and then root equal tk and then root main loop. I will give my app name in here root title, then I give the name in here Wikipedia app, and then I will run it. We will see empty window in here before we create others. Okay, now we will write in here entry that we can write anything there. We can write our variable enter 1 and then equal entry and then root, and I will give the font to make my text bigger. So write in here Times New Roman, and then I will write in here the size of the text that I choose 20, and then I will write again my variable enter 1 and I write in here enter 1 text, and then I have created the entry. Now I want to create a button. I will write the variable in here button 1 and I will write in here button and then root, then text that I will set in the button. I will write in here search, and then I will give the font to make the button bigger and the text in the button bigger. Okay, I will only copy this and I will paste in here, and I will write in here button 1 pack to show my button on the screen. Now you will see in here an entry and also a button. You can write anything here, but when you click in here search, it didn't happen anything because you didn't give the command to your button. So we can create the command in here, but first I will import Wikipedia, and then you can write the command in here search 1, and then I will create a label. Okay, label 1 and then equal label root and then text. Okay, for the text we will write letter. Now we set the font. We copy this and then we pass in here, and then we can write down label 1 pack. Okay, now for the text I will write in here Wikipedia.search and then enter 1 get. Okay, so when you write anything inside the entry, it will use in the label. It will show the result in label. Now I will create an entry the second entry, I will write in here entry, then root. I will give the same font with the others. I will copy this and I will paste in here. I will write in here entry to pack. So for the level 1, it will show the result of the content that we search in the first entry. So when you search anything in the entry, it will give you some content that related with the topic that you want to search. So for the second entry, you will write the topic or the content that you choose when the label show it on the screen. So you can write the second button in here. So button to equal button. And then you write in your search. And then you give the font. And then you write in your button to back to show the button on the screen. So now we will see that. Okay. But okay, we will see. Okay, this is the result. When you click at the search, it will show some content that relate with what that you search on the first entry. But we will set the command for the second button. I will write in here that, and then search 1, search 2, and then you can write. Okay, I will show not on the label, but I will show on the text, so it will be larger than the label. So I will write in your text, and then text root, and then a equal 19, and then x insert. I write in here insert, and then I write in here Wikipedia page, and then entry to get, and then I will write in here content. So in the text, it will show the complete information that you need after you write down your text that you want to search. Then write in your text pack. Okay, this is the final result. We will run this and we will see the result. It was very fun. Now, if I want to search the information about Asia and I search, okay, we haven't give the command for the button 1, so we will give the command first. Okay, in the command, we'll write in your search 1, and then the second command, we'll write in here search 2. Okay, this is based to the variable that we have given here, search 2, and in here search 1. And then we will run again. Okay, but make sure that you have connect with internet when you want to search anything here. When I want to search information about Asia and then I click the search button, it will show the the complete content of topic that relate with this. Okay, it has many content that you can search. Okay, I want to search about East Asia, so I will type in here East Asia. Okay, this is based to the content that has written in here. You can choose one that you want to search, and I will search, and it will show the complete information that you need. It is like what did you find in the Wikipedia website. Okay, it have so the complete information that you need in here. It is very complete. Okay, so this is the tutorial for today, but I will give some something here. I will give the bonus in here. So root means size. I will write in here root means size, and then hey equal. I will give okay, and then weight will give. It is when you run your code, it will show the size of the window that you want when it was appear in here. So when it appeared, it was more bigger. And I will give the background also of my window. I will change the background. So I write in here BZ, and then I want to give the orange background. So I write in here orange. Now you will see the background that has changed to beautiful background. Okay, when you write in here, okay, it is the same. Okay, only for until here. Don't forget to subscribe in this channel to support this channel forward. Thank you.